Hello, welcome to Embedded World. I'm Daniele Clary, Senior Engineering Manager at AAEON Europe, and I'm here with Pierre from the Embedded Kit to introduce you our partnership and collaboration with the Embedded Kit and AAEON.
Hi, I'm Pierre Gall. I'm leader of the Embedded Kit, and I'm really happy to continue this collaboration with this announcement of a new hardware of the AAEON ecosystem that is now supported by our Yocto distribution.
Yes, together with both teams, we work to enable our SRG-IMX8P based on NXP IMX8 platform to make sure it works properly with Welma OS, which is at the base of the Embedded Kit solution.
Yeah, absolutely. So Welma is our Yocto secured distribution. So it really targets to help our customers to go faster on the market with a CRA compliance. We enable secure boot, secure storage, firewall configuration, ease the integration and the development on a Yocto platform. And yeah, really happy to see a new hardware in our ecosystem today.
And we're really happy to support such a great solution as the Embedded Kit.
Yeah. What's about the next steps?
So next steps will be our next platform to be included in the Embedded Kit support list.
Yeah, so if you want to know more about our solution, you can go to the embeddedkit.io.
And of course also you can ask us at AAEON.com if you have any question about our products and the solution that works together with the Embedded Kit. Thank you.
Thank you.